Know about Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was an influential Hindu monk, philosopher and leader of the 19th century Indian independence movement. Known for his powerful speeches and sermons, Vivekananda advocated a complete reformation of Indian society and culture based on the principles of Vedanta. While he is best known for his work in India, Vivekananda's influence has spread beyond the subcontinent to become an inspiration to people of all faiths around the world. Background of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was born in Calcutta, India in 1883. He became a monk at the age of 19 and travelled throughout India preaching his philosophy of Vedanta. In 1915, he met Mahatma Gandhi and the two men became close friends. At a speech given in Chicago in 1893, Vivekananda had coined the phrase "the world is one family," and this belief would be reflected in much of his work. He died in 1920 at the age of 62. The life and teachings of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was an influential teacher and leader in the Indian independence movement. He is best known for his speeches on Vedanta, which emphasized the oneness of all life and the need for self-knowledge. Vivekananda also founded the Ramakrishna Mission and helped promote religious tolerance in India. His teachings have had a lasting effect on many people around the world. Inspirational quotes from Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was an Indian saint and teacher who has been widely credited with introducing yoga to Europe and the United States. He is also recognized for his powerful speech at the 1896 Parliament of the World's Religions, in which he called for the unification of religions. Here are some inspiring quotes from Swami Vivekananda. Be a light unto yourself and let that light shine forth. Cowards die many times before their deaths. The brave man is he who lives through death. Expect nothing, desire nothing, because you will only be disappointed. Swami Vivekananda's impact on Indian culture. Vivekananda was an Indian philosopher, yogi and reformer who was instrumental in the revival of Hinduism in the late 19th century. One of Vivekananda's main goals was to revive Hinduism and unify India under one religion. He believed that by doing this, India would become a powerful nation with a strong economy and culture. His teachings have helped millions of people discover their own spirituality, and his legacy continues to be felt today. What we can learn from Swami Vivekananda. Though he died at the young age of 37, Vivekananda's influence remains strong today. His teachings offer us a perspective on life that can help us see our own potential for greatness and provide us with tools to help us live more fully in the present moment. Influence of Swami Vivekananda. In 1882, he met a monk named Ramakrishna who had a profound impact on him. Ramakrishna taught Vivekananda about Hinduism and its principles of meditation and self-awareness. Vivekananda travelled extensively throughout India teaching his beliefs to others. In 1896, he arrived in Chicago where he gave several speeches that helped promote Hinduism in the United States. His talks were so successful that he decided to travel there again the following year. Swami Vivekananda's legacy. Swami Vivekananda was an Indian mystic, philosopher and religious leader who is considered to be one of the most influential spiritual figures of the 20th century. He was instrumental in bringing Vedanta philosophy to Western society and is credited with helping revive Hinduism in the United States. He was also a key figure in the development of yoga and meditation. Vivekananda's life and teachings have remained influential well into the 21st century, and he remains an inspiration to many people today. Swami Vivekananda, an inspiration to all. The conclusion of the video is that Swami Vivekananda was an inspiration to all, and we should all be inspired by him. He showed us that there is nothing impossible for a person who sets their mind to it, and that we can all achieve great things if we work hard. He was a great orator, and his words have left an impact on many people's lives.